This is Daniel Odio with PointAbout. So I'm going to Jiffy Lube to get my car serviced. As you can see here, it's past due. So here's the Jiffy Lube right here. Of course, me being a really techie guy, I have my laptop, which is my kind of constant companion in the car with me, and I'm using my laptop to look up a Jiffy Lube coupon, and in fact there's a Jiffy Lube coupon right here. Now what's interesting is, of course, not everybody carries their laptop in the car with them, which wouldn't expect everyone to do that, but B, I'm sure that there are a couple other oil change places that are within a mile of here that would give me more than $5 off. I'm getting $5 off from Jiffy Lube if they'll even take a coupon on a laptop, which is another fight that I'll probably have to fight when I get in there, because they're probably used to seeing printed coupons. So, with PointAbout, what we're trying to do is create a channel of communication between the user and the brands. So, for example, with PointAbout, and we haven't done this yet, but it's something that we want to do. So with PointAbout, you can see here, it's going to be a little fuzzy because I'm videotaping this, but here's the PointAbout button. So I'll click on PointAbout, and what we would like to do is to have all of the oil change places that are nearby. Like, for example, it's going to pull up a list of all the different apps that we've made location aware, and one of them says car washes. You probably can't read this, but the second app here is car washes, and if I click on car washes, it shows me car washing places that are near me. Location aware car washing. In fact, there's one place called Best Car Wash that's 1.17 miles away. So we could very easily create an oil change application, just like we've created a car wash application, and then when I am about to go get my oil change, I could click on this, and then this actually would take me to the Jiffy Lube or the Grease Monkey websites, where they could have an ad for me, just like Jiffy Lube has one on this page. So PointAbout's view of the LBS world, and LBS stands for location-based services, is not that PointAbout is going to control this relationship. We think that's the wrong approach. We are trying to enable a two-way channel of communication between me, the user, with my phone here, and Jiffy Lube or whatever establishment it is that I'm interested. PointAbout is trying to be I hesitate to use the word platform, but the utility that brings those two together, so that I can have a conversation with Jiffy Lube, or if Grease Monkey wants to have a more interesting conversation to me, I can have that conversation with them. And I can do it all based on who's around me right now. So that's just a little thought, a little manifesto on what PointAbout is, what we're doing, and how we're trying to enable this type of two-way channel of communication between the brand, Jiffy Lube here in this case, and the customer. All right, hope you enjoyed.